Welcome to King's Locksmith. We are the company to call when you want to rekey the lock of your car or at your place. We provide residential and commercial keys and locksmith services, broken key extraction, car lockouts, key duplication, lock changing, garage door lock service, Rekeying Service, safe locksmith service, lock repair. Our professionals practices safety first. We assure that our locks keep your belongings secure and your family safe at all times. At King's Locksmith, customer service is our main priority.